Hi everyone, it's Wendy Lee. Welcome back. Today I'm here with a Dollar Tree haul for you. I found some really cute things at Dollar Tree that I have not seen before from Halloween fall, and then they had some Christmas stuff that I didn't see at my other store when I was there. So let's get started. One of the first things I found from Halloween was I found this thing. It's called an LED projector light, and I already took it out and put batteries in it. So we are going to see what it looks like. It's just plastic and it flips around. It took 2 AAA batteries, and you just push it in on the side. There's a button right there, and it's supposed to put a skull or a skeleton. So we got a piece of black oh, that's cool. So we got a piece of black paper here to see what it looks like. Let's see what happens when we go close. It's better if you're far away. So I guess what you could do is you could just set it up on something if you're having a party, but super cute, super fun. So that was that. And let's see what else we've got. Let me put this back in the package. I also found these cute little mini buckets in a skull, little white skulls. I hadn't seen those at my store before, so I was happy to see those. And then I just got some of the felt shapes. I got the cat and the ghost. I just thought those were cute. And then I also got, in the Halloween section, I got some of this fright tape. And this one I think says danger and beware, I believe. So that's fun because you can just, or maybe it just says danger, because see how it says just danger at the bottom. Super cute to decorate your boxes with when you send out Halloween Happy Mail. The other thing that I got was I got these DIY harvest DIY words. So let's open these and see what they say. So we got Farm Fresh, Welcome Fall, Blessed, Hello Autumn, excuse me, Give Thanks, and Hello Fall. Really good deal for $1, I think. Something else I got in the Christmas section was they had some Christmas ribbon. You get 9 feet for $1, and it says Merry Christmas, peace, love, joy. Really cute. Did you guys hear the news that Dollar Tree's prices are going up because of inflation? They're thinking that they're going to go up to like $1.25 to $1.50. I know that some stores have like a $1 plus section where I think you can get like $3 and $5 items. I haven't been to any of those in California where I live, in Southern California. I don't know if they exist, but at least in my area they don't. But yeah, just overall, speaking overall, Dollar Tree's prices are going up. So bummed. Another thing that I got in the Christmas section was these cute mini trees. So cute. I'm so happy to get those. I like them because they have like a really good shape to them, and I like that they protected them in the plastic, because a lot of times you'll buy those at different places and they don't protect them, and then they get all bent and warped because they get pushed up against things. Something else that I found that I was super happy to find was they had these storage containers. This one says Hello Fall, and I just thought it was super cute to store some of my fall crafting supplies. Then also in the Christmas section, I found this. I got some of the faux snow before, but I didn't see these, this teeny tiny one that they had. So I was happy to find that. And let's see, also in the fall section, they had these really cute little zipper seal bags. They had a couple of designs, but that was the one that I liked. And then I finally found these necklaces, because I found them at the 99 Only store, but they didn't have black, and I really wanted black, so I got 2 packs of those. The 99 Only store had, I want to say, they had more necklaces on theirs, but I can't be sure. But I thought that you got more necklaces for $1. Hi, babe. I'm making a video. So I'm not sure, like, if you get more at the 99 only store, but you did get, you know, different colors like pink and turquoise and all that kind of stuff. Because the 99 only store, it came with like their Fiesta collection, which was like the Day of the Dead. So it had like those kind of like bright colors, whereas Dollar Tree had more like traditional Halloween. And then I also picked up some purple crinkle paper and some pink crinkle paper for packaging. And then I figure you might as well get started for Christmas. So I picked up some red. Let's see here. And oh, I also found this one for Halloween. It reminded me of like candy corn. How cute, huh? So it's got like the yellow, it's got the orange. I also found these super cute little back clips to alter for Halloween. And oh, there's something I'm so excited that I found that I can't wait to show you guys. I also found these, which I had never seen before at the Dollar Tree. So had these cute little acorns and they had these cute little pumpkins. So they're like acrylic little pumpkins. And somebody sent me Happy Mail, not Happy Mail, they sent me a birthday challenge entry and it had these in it. And I was like, yay, when I saw those, because they were so cute. I also got another Christmas ribbon. Again, it's 9 feet. And it just says, have yourself a merry little Christmas. Super cute. Then I was so happy to find these animals. I've seen people alter these. Like, I think I saw Simply at Home with Nikki. I think she did this one in a Maggie Holmes carousel theme, if I'm not mistaken. And it was so cute. Then I saw somebody do an elephant, and for the life of me, I cannot remember who that was. If somebody remembers that, please leave a comment below. I can't remember who it was, but both of them were so adorable. So happy to find those. And then finally, the thing I think I was most excited for was, you guys know I like to decorate my boxes when I have time for my outgoing swaps. And so I found Halloween stencils. So I usually just like paint the outside of the box with a stencil, like super fast, super cute, super easy, nothing like super hard. But it was so fun to find these. So there's more than one. I think there's 2. Let me open them. Yeah, there's 2. So you already saw the first one that says Home Sweet Haunted Home. But then there's also this one. Let me make sure I've got it facing the right way. Yeah, okay, I got it facing the right way. But there's also this one where it says Boo, and it's got like the graveyard and the haunted house and the witch and all that good stuff. So yeah, that is my little Dollar Tree haul that I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you're all doing well. I hope everything's going good and that you enjoyed the video today. And now I got to go see what hubby was asking me. Something about, did I do something this morning? I don't even know what he was asking. All right. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.